Greetings to you friends. This is the MaxBot channel. The bot with which I work is able to give signals with profitability from 89 to 95%. Now I will show it. And our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy the full version of this tool with unlimited signals at a discount of 90%. The number of people who will get the bot with a discount is limited. Link in the description. The first signal from the bot for me is for hire. I enter a trade on the time frame of 2 minutes with the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The entry point is $350. In the message with the signal, the bot also indicated volatility and news background. Now these 2 parameters are very active. And now I will consider the whole situation in the trading view. I see strong resistance areas, but sellers cannot change the situation globally, and now there is a consolidation, when the support areas of buyers are also quite strong. And if we look at an additional indicator, the histogram of tick volumes, we immediately notice that the volumes are significantly dominated by the bulls. So I have no doubt that a local uptrend will develop out of the sideways movement, which in the long term may develop into an impulsive trend. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, my parsing, as well as the prediction from MaxBot, turned out to be accurate. The real account received $273. Now I will choose another option out of 27 currency pairs with which the robot works. Swiss franc and Japanese yen. I increase the investment amount twice to $700. 3 seconds and a new signal is in front of us. Higher. By working this structure constantly, you will become the owners of really big budgets. The bot has learned everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Modern technologies really help to earn. And now it's time to break down the second signal of the robot in TradingView. Pay attention to the volume indicator. Bulls, quite often included in the fight, resisted the trend change with the help of support areas, and the whole situation went sideways. However, we can count on a local uptrend, because the combined strength of the support areas and the candlestick crossing of the lower Bollinger Band recently give a hint that the bulls can indeed take the price up. And now, while we are waiting for the transaction to be finalized, I want to show you testimonials from people who are already working and earning with MaxBot. These users have already appreciated the power of the tool and have started to regularly implement artificial intelligence analytics in their trading. By the way, after buying the robot, you will get into an exclusive VIP chat, where market analytics with analysis of various situations is conducted. Signals are published there as well. Join the large community of traders who have stepped into the future by opting for new technologies and neural networks. So, the trade is about to end and we will be able to see the result, which will definitely be positive, because the process is much higher than the entry point. And now, the amount of profit is $546. It's time to make a positive reinforcement of this result. It's time to make one more trade. I again increased the amount of entry into the market twice. Now it is $1,400. In order to get a signal from the robot, you need to press the keys in its menu that correspond to the parameters you set on the pocket option broker. Very quickly the bot scans the situation with the help of neural networks and gives its forecast. On lower, the currency pair is the same, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The news background at the moment is reduced. price fluctuations are not very active either. I would like to remind you that you can see this additional information in the message with the robot signal. And now I will consider this trade in the trading view. Let's discuss why MaxBot gave such a signal. There are areas of resistance in this sideways move that could still be a game changer because the bulls have not started to build on their success, as I might have thought earlier. In such a case, it is worth paying attention to a combination of factors and flat with a dash of downward movement for a significant period of time. Fundamental factors, such as political events and events in the financial markets of the countries whose currency you are working with, can also influence the price movement. The volumes that the bears had can help them to hold at the current level for at least a few more minutes. And the sideways movement may be replaced by a localized downward movement. The deal is about to close and I'm sure the result will be great. With everything you have seen today, I will tell you one thought. This thought is my observation. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first few hours. This tool does its thing quickly and clearly and continues to evolve with the use of machine learning. The robot also has an over-the-counter trading function. You can use it to trade even on weekends and holidays, even at night, when the stock exchanges are asleep. The option is enabled by commanding the robot/OTC. So, the deal is finalized. $1,092 was received on the real account. The total amount of profit for 3 deals, $1,911. This result became a reality, thanks to a powerful artificial intelligence. And with the help of technical analysis, I was able to show you the logic by which trades can be closed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like if you like this video and click on the bell to always be aware of the latest news and deal breakdowns. And don't forget to participate in our cool contest for $1,000. Bye.